Bed Bath & Beyond kicks it off, up 2.3% after raising $48.5 million through the sale of shares. The beaten-down retailer aims to raise $300 million by April 26th as it looks to avert bankruptcy. Who knows if it's going to be able to do that here. This amount being raised as of April 10th, so what are we, the 11th here this morning?
Yeah.
So it raised this money yesterday and we're feeling it.
So
I don't know what day it is anymore.
it's hump day.
Yes.
That
much I know.
As the youth call it.
It is.
Yeah. So, even as we're thinking about what comes next for Bed Bath & Beyond, just trying to have some type of liquidity in this near-term period for the stores that they still operate. I don't necessarily think that there's been anything investors can hang their hat on as to what that comeback story looks like right now. It's still a question of what their credit facility looks like. It's still a question of how many stores they're going to continue to close. A list that runs 4 pages long, a 10 size 10 font as of right now, if you were to look on the company's website. And so all of that considered, it is still a long road even to getting towards what a stable new normal looks like for Bed Bath & Beyond, and there's going to be the liquidation of a lot of inventory just to continue to show their existing lenders that they can and have the ability to move through inventory, but it's a question of how much they're going to need to discount that too in this near-term period.
Yeah, I mean, it's so interesting the movements that we see in the stock too, based on all of this, right, that people get in when they see this kind of news. And I don't know that there's any kind of fundamental belief on the part of people buying the stock that it is going to continue to be in business, or just rather that, it's a sort of short-term trading opportunities, perhaps.
Right, so short-term that, and I actually have to credit Steve Sosnick on this, frequent guest of the show. He was talking about some of the people who were out there buying the options, paying the 1 cent for the $4 calls, saying and pleading for them to stop because there are more sensible trades that you could make.
Sure, there are usually more sensible trades in the world that one can make, but all right, we got you some UConn action up there on the podium at the New York Stock Exchange. The NCAA champs there celebrating their victory. We got some cheers going on there.